Hi, I'm Dr. Byron Hempel, and I'm a teaching faculty in the College of Engineering. What I have in front of me is the Cookie Monster. This is one of our solar ovens that was created in Engineering 102B. So if you're a freshman coming into the College of Engineering, you're going to have both 102A and ENGR 102B. 102B has a few different projects, and the solar oven is one of those projects. The main idea of this solar oven is to get what's called the highest performance index score. So this is performance index solar oven throwdown. What we try to do is we measure the actual temperature inside this solar oven, and we're going to subtract off on the bottom T actual minus T predicted. We're going to create a model. In other words, a mathematical, empirical-based model that looks at this thing called TIO, or the temperature inside the oven, and goes through, calculates all these different things based on all these different variables that we may or may not adjust. A lot of these are constants too, so don't get too worried about the equation. We'll also go over in Engineering 102. So we do T actual divided by T actual minus T predicted. And then because if you get perfectly right, you're dividing by 0, we're going to add 5 in the denominator. So what we try to do with our PI solar oven throwdown is get as close to our actual temperature to our predicted temperature from our model. So we'll go through in Engineering 102B, figure out how this model works, understand each of these different variables, and as we construct our solar oven, each of our different parameters that we use to design this solar oven are going to go into this equation. If you design your solar oven really well, you're going to have a fantastic PI score, or PI solar oven throwdown. So let's look at Mr. Cookie Monster just a little bit more. Cookie Monster has a base here. There's a lot of insulation going on. Inside this box is actually another box. So we can look inside Mr. Cookie Monster here, and we have a window where sunlight's going to go through. We have solar collector panels here wrapped with aluminum foil to be reflective, and we're going to try to bake some biscuits with it. So Cookie Monster created, we did all the different parameters with it, we plug it into our mathematical equation and try to get a PI solar oven throwdown score. This is just one of many projects you'll do as an engineering student in Engineering 102B. So come join us as a Wildcat. It's going to be fun. These projects are really exciting to do.